the Continental SC20 Plus solid tire. Made with our unique Plus compound. Plus mileage. Up to 20% more mileage compared to its predecessor, SC20 Energy. Plus energy efficiency. No matter on which ground surface, the rolling resistance of the SC20 Plus is among the lowest in its class. Plus damage resistance. The new Plus compound is not only used for the tread, but also for the sidewalls, for even more protection against external damage. Plus endurance. The special 3-layer structure significantly reduces the heat development inside for continuous use even in the most demanding conditions. Plus stability. Less tilting and swaying for the highest precision when every millimeter counts. The Plus makes the difference. Continental SC20 Plus solid tires.